Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel KVG News. Today we will be discussing about Shahed 136, the loitering ammunition or kamikaze suicide drone of Iran. The Shahed 136 is a Iranian-made loitering ammunition, also called suicide or kamikaze drone, developed and manufactured by Iran Aircraft Manufacturing Industrial Company (HESA). The company was established in 1976. It belongs to Iran Aviation Industry Organization and is located at Shahin Shahr, Isfahan. The original factory built by Textron was to produce Bell 214 of different configurations in Iran, with a deal that involved several hundred helicopters and technology transfers. The drone is designed to conduct ground attacks. The Shahed 136 is not only a suicide drone, and according to pictures released by Iranian media, Iran has also created a new way to launch the drone in a kind of multiple launch or drone swarming. Drone swarms are a new technological demonstration whereby multiple drones are used to strike targets. The drone was unveiled in 2021 and is now used by Russian army. The Shahed 136 is available in three models in the Iranian armed forces, including anti-personnel and armored vehicle, anti-fortification, and radar-seeker version. It can be launched in salvo mode from a truck and used as a swarm drone. With this method, several drones are launched at the same time and fly in formation controlled from the same station, which can be programmed using an algorithm to carry out various tasks, including surveillance or attack. It can also be used as a pre-programmed direct attack munition mode like a long-range cruise missile or as a long-duration loitering munition limited to by a radio signal range of around 150 km and receiving new GNSS, that is Global Navigation Satellite System target location instructions. The specification of Shahed 136: loitering munition, also called as kamikaze or suicide drone. Wingspan is 2.5 meter, and country which produces is Iran. Weight is 200 kg. Speed is 185 kg per hour. Range is 1000 to 2500 kilometers, and guidance is provided by in inertial navigation system with GPS. The warhead is 30 to 50 kg high explosive fragmentation, and optics are photo and video equipment, and design of Shahed 136 is based on a delta wing shaped design with stabilizing rudders at the tips. The engine is located at the rear of the fuel stage. The design also incorporates a rear facing pusher prop arrangement. It has a length of 3.5 meter with wingspan of 2.5 meter and weight of around 200 kg. Payload. The nose section of the Shahed 136 contains a high explosive fragmentation warhead estimated to weigh 30 to 50 kg of unknown composition as well as optics for precision attacks. It is a simple inertial navigation system with a consumer grade GPS system to strike its target. The payload can also include photo equipment that can take still and real time images or videos. Flight capabilities. The Shahed 136 is motorized with the Modo MD 550 piston engine developing 50 HP, which is an Iranian copy of German Limbach L 550E. The engine is located at the rear of the fuel stage and drives a two-blade propeller in a pusher arrangement. The drone can fly at a maximum speed of 185 km and has an estimated range from 1000 to 2500 km. It can fly at an altitude of 60 to 4000 meters. Electronics. Despite no marking, experts believe Munition uses a computer process manufactured by American company Altera RF module by Analog Device and a LDO chip by Microchip Technology. Inspection of captured drones used by Russia during 2020 Ukrainian invasion revealed that Shahed 136 electronics were manufactured from American and EU made components such as Texas Instrument TMS 320 processor and a Polish made fuel pump on behalf of UK based company TI Fluid Systems. Deployment normally, because of its portability of the launch frame and drone assembly, the entire unit can be mounted on the back of any military or commercial truck. The aircraft is launched at a slight upward angle and is assisted in initial flight by rocket launch assistance, that is RATO. The rocket is jettisoned immediately after launch, whereupon the drone's conventional Iranian made Model MD 554 cylinder piston takes over. The munition is designed to attack ground targets from a distance, fired in multiples from a launch rack, to overwhelm air defenses by consuming their resources during the attack. The first public footage of the drone were released in December 2021. The drone is launched from a rack which holds 5 of these drones. The rack can be installed on a truck in traveling order. It looks like a standard logistic truck with a canvas cover. The Shahed 136 is launched nearly horizontal and uses rocket assisted takeoff. Examination of crashed and shot down drones in Ukraine revealed that it uses number of Western and Chinese components in its construction. Ukrainians reported that it uses computer processors made by Altera Corporation from USA, although without any marking. So Iran managed to overcome sanctions and receive vital components for its drone that are not for sale to general audience. The drone has got no remote control. Instead, it has a simple inertial navigation system with consumer grade GPS system to strike its target. Operational use revealed that Shahed 136 is resistant to anti drone rifles and electronic warfare systems. In 2019, a swarm of 25 missiles and drones, including Shahed 136, was reportedly launched from Iranian Omidia military base against Saudi oil plant. Even though Houthis claim responsibility for the attack, the UN investigator concluded the attack was executed by Iran. This particular case revealed that air defenses of Saudi Arabia cannot completely defend against such drone attacks. The Shahed 136 is not that effective against moving military targets as it is large, slow, and noisy. Its piston engine emits distinctive sound of a lawn mower or a moped. Ukrainians nickname these drones flying mopeds. It can be heard at significant distance. Some sources suggest that this drone was specially designed to destroy civilian infrastructure rather than military targets. The Shahed 136 is rather inexpensive. Unit price is unknown, but estimates vary from 20 to 50,000 USD. Actually, this is a small sum considering how much damage such drones can cause to civilian infrastructure. Furthermore, a surface to air missile to shot down drone will cost more than 10 times the price of the drone. A swarm of this drone can simply expand missiles of air defense system. This is favorable for attackers as Decembers will spend significantly more defending from these drones with traditional methods. Geran 2 is a Russian name for Shahed 136. In 2020, Russia reportedly obtained at least two 400 of these drones from Iran to meet an urgent operational requirement during the war with Ukraine. Russian version reportedly has a built-in GLONASS satellite navigation system. In 2022, these drones were widely used against Ukrainian civilian targets such as power plants. Ukrainian reported that air defense system intercepted 85% of these drones. Still, though, some of them managed to hit their target and destroyed them. A recent report with Newsweek, it is said that Russian forces rapidly running out of Iranian-made Shahed 136 drones. Russian forces fighting in Ukraine are quickly burning through their stockpile of Iranian Shahed 131 and Shahed 136 drones as the invasion effort drags on, according to the Institute for Study of War. Vladimir Putin's forces have stepped up frequency of UAV attacks across the Ukraine since December. The think tank said that in updated analysis on January 7. The Kremlin is hoping to continue its assault on the country's critical infrastructure, the ISW argued, without its supply of missiles suffering. Earlier this week, Ukraine President Zelensky said that Kremlin hoped to exhaust Ukraine's resistance forces through the relentless deployment of drones. The Ukrainian leader said Kiev understood Russia was planning a protracted attack using Zai drones, Reuters has reported, and that Moscow was probably banking on exhaustion of Ukraine's energy infrastructure, its anti-aircraft defense system, and its entire population. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and please press the bell item icon so that you can get this type of innovative videos in future also. Thanks.